Hi everybody, welcome back to JackJackPlays. What do you got, Jack?
A logging truck!
Wow, let's zoom in on this thing. This is a fast lane pump action timber truck. Jack has been wanting this for a long time. And here it is. This looks awesome. Shall we open it?
Yes! I see something here. I see something here.
Tear it open, Jack.
Okay.
Ugh. Jack, take it out now.
Okay. It's the logging truck. He's going. He got the log. Look, he got the log. Back into place.
Watch this, Jack.
Okay.
Push the big red button and it pumps up, and then you pull the lever and it comes down.
No, that's a button. Look at it do. Okay. He got it! Let's do it one more time. What's coming down?
Logs!
That's the sawmill.
The sawmill's over there?
Yep, that's the sawmill.
Cool. He's talking about the box this came in.
We got some logs. That's for bug lips. That's bugs.
Buzz is the saw in the sawmill?
Yep, that's the sawmill buzz. You can put it really gently and try this. Okay, we take the road to the sawmill. It's going to go down. It will be down. Oh no!
What happened?